Let's say somebody wants to build a book of business to $10,000 a month. You have $10,000, you divide, let's say the average account that you write creates $100 residuals. That means that you got to have 100 accounts producing $100 in residuals per month. That's going to give you a $10,000 residual. So, and you say, I want to do this in 12 months. That means that you need to be writing an average of about 8 accounts per month that are creating about $100 in residuals. And over a 10 to 12 month time period, if you continue on that pace, that's going to get you to that $10,000 marker. You could also do the same thing with $50,000 or $100,000, whatever your number may be. If you're an office and you have 10 agents or 15 agents and you're only doing 30 accounts and you want to get to 100 accounts, then you have to look at your roster and say, all right, I have X amount of producers. I need to find out what their goals are and help them reach those goals, because I know that if I help them reach their goals, that's going to help me reach my goals. We pay out over 150 partners